Hey everybody, I just wanted to share the photos from our trip to Japan this year. There are over 5,000 pictures and videos though, so I'm gonna have to break it up into a few different videos. So this one will be the first day and I'll make a different video for each day. Hope you guys enjoy. We arrived in Japan after a long flight, routed through Honolulu and touching down at Haneda Airport. The view of Tokyo from above when flying in looked like 100 Manhattans. Rather than figure out public transit immediately after customs, we opted to hail a cab to our hotel in Asakusa. The process was pretty easy. Stand in the clearly marked line, climb in when it's our turn, show the address to the cab driver, and pay by card. During the 30-minute ride, we got to see the enormity of the city, and it was sprawling. When we arrived at the hotel, we were a bit confused at first, as it was simply a door, a brochure stand, a phone, and an elevator. Some other guests came in, and we found we had to go up to the second floor to find the check-in counter. The staff was friendly and we dropped our luggage into our tiny hotel room. The whole room was just big enough for a bed and a foot of walking space on two sides of it. The bathroom was also small. The sink faucet actually swung over to be the bathtub faucet. And the bathroom was almost like a little room they installed within the room. We had to step up into it. Before getting to the hotel, we'd seen a bustling alleyway, so our next act was to walk back that way. We ended up grabbing a bite to eat at an amazing sushi place. We got the nigiri combo plate and a tuna sashimi bowl. Then we wandered a bit more and wound up at Sensouji and the Five Storied Pagoda, which was actually right behind our hotel, although we did have to walk around the block to get in. They light up the temple at night, so we got some really great night shots. On the way back, we came across a guy with a Toyota 86, which he was obviously very proud of. We thought it was a Supra at first, but he explained that it was the cheaper version of a Supra. I don't know cars, so I'll take his word for it. We wandered a bit more, stopping into a tax-free shop called Don Quixote, or Donkey for short. It's hard to describe how much merchandise there was in this multi-storied store, and the people, and all the audio-video advertising to draw you into each aisle. The checkout line was horrendous though, so we left and got some ice cream on the way back to the room. We turned in early, sometime around 10:30 or 11, which set us up to wake up early the next morning and get going for real. Well, that's it for this video. If there's anything you want to know more about, put it in the comments below. I'll post the next video tomorrow, so make sure to like and subscribe for more.